In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the group policy object menu where it gives you an error that you don't have the appropriate rights. The first thing you could do is you could go over to the Windows menu, right click, go to Computer Management. In here, you want to go to your local users and groups, go to your user, find your user account and double click it. In here, you want to go to member of, and you want to make sure that you are part of the administrators group. If you are, then there's another fix. What you could do is you go to the Windows Explorer, click on this PC, click on your drive, go to Windows. In Windows, search for System32. In System32, go ahead and search for group policy. Open the group policy. You're gonna find a folder called machine, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and rename this. You're gonna do a .alt, press enter, and then once you do that, you go close the error, go back to run, type in gpedit.msc, and it should open, and now you can make your changes. So that's how you fix the problem with the group policy editor. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and please subscribe.